Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel, and I hope everyone's doing well. Today I come with a new stitch. I did a similar of the stitch, but I used a double crochet instead of a half double crochet, and it gave a totally different texture look. So I will put the link below. I don't have a sample to show you because I donated the pattern, the thing that I was sharing with you. And these are the scarves that I've been working on. I do have tutorials. Here's a lovely textured scarf. Here's another one I just finished. And this one, I just showed this one yesterday and it went so fast. So just wanted to show you. But this one is going to be like this. It's going to be a textured scarf. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to chain multiple of 2. And I didn't count how many chains I did, but that's okay. You don't have to worry about this. And what I did is the first row I did double crochets just to give that a little bit of height, like a brim. So after that I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and I'm going to start. I'm not going to chain here or start anything here. I'm going to skip that because if you do anything here, your work will increase this way, towards this way, because you're adding an extra stitch and we don't want that. So skip to this one and then make a slip stitch. This is how we start, with the slip stitch. And then on the next stitch we're going to do a half double crochet like this, pulling it once, go to the next one, slip stitch, going to the next one. The yarn that I'm using is Caron Cake Anniversary, and the crochet hook I'm using is a 6.5. It's a big crochet hook for me. I usually don't use this big, but I want it nice and soft, right? Okay, so I do this all the way to the end. 1 slip stitch, 1 half double crochet, and then we work our stitches on each chain. We don't skip anything. We don't chain any stitches, anything. And then we work on each stitch one at a time. 1 slip stitch, 1 half double crochet. Okay, and then we should finish up with a slip stitch. Okay, just like this, half double crochet. It's really fun. You don't have to count anything. It's mindless, relaxing. Goes no, so I did chain multiple of 2. Didn't even count, but yeah. So right here or here, do a slip stitch, chain 1, turn our work, and this is how it looks like. See how it gives that texture? Okay, now we're going to start the next row. Okay, so we're going to start with the slip stitch. Okay, so right here, we're going to make a slip stitch. On next one, I'm going to grab it like this and then make a half double crochet. Okay, I'm just double checking. Okay, I grabbed the wrong one, sorry. Okay, here, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. So I am what I'm doing is I'm not touching these here. I'm holding it and picking up the V's from here to give that nice texture while I am crocheting. Okay, grab it like this, so it gives that nice texture. So this is the main thing that we need to work on. Don't grab it from here, then you will lose these beautiful lines that gives the nice texture. Okay, we did our half double crochet. So basically what we're doing is, if you look, we're doing a slip stitch, and the next one is, again, pulling all at once. That's all we're doing. And when we turn our work, it is reversible. See how it looks? We create the clusters, these beautiful textures right there. Gives that nice look. And that's what we need. That's what we're aiming for. With this stitch, you can crochet anything you want. For this one, I'm making a scarf. You can make baby blankets. You can make afghans, cardigans, sweaters, anything. It gives a nice fabric. And always go and check the wrong side if it gives that nice texture, right? That's what we're aiming for. Half double crochet, slip stitch. How easy it is. Just like this. So we start with a slip stitch, and then here, right here, I know it's a little bit difficult to go in, or you can just grab it from here and then make a slip stitch right there. Chain one, turn our work, and then again from here, from the back, slip stitch, half double crochet. So we start with a slip stitch, we finish with a slip stitch. See how easy it is? Let's say you put this and you need to go to the kitchen, or your child got hungry and start crying. Things happen, right? And then you come and you say, oh, where did I leave? Where? And then this, let's say this is a little bit tight. You just, when you come back, you're a little bit confused. Where am I? Where am I? So what you can do is either you can look at the stitch or turn around and look like this, or what you can do is the slip stitch is this stitch. See, the half double crochet is like in between. See? And the slip stitch is a little bit on the top. You can figure it that way. See? The slip stitch is a little bit on the top, and the double crochet, half double crochet, is in the middle, like it's squeezed in. This is how it looks like. See? And this is how it looks like. So let me just, how many rows did we do? I totally forgot. It's so nice to work with. And always grab it from here, from the back. Don't grab it from here, because we want these lines again to give that nice textured look. Half double crochet, slip stitch. This would be nice for rugs too. Yeah, definitely would be nice for rugs. Okay, I'm doing my half double crochet, and it's a little bit tight in here, but it's here where we did the one chain. So make your slip stitch, chain one, turn your work. Okay, and then start with a slip stitch, and then half double crochet. So I'm going to crochet a couple of rows just to give you how it looks like. See, the half double crochets is in between, it's squeezed, so it's a little bit tough to find it, but it's there. Okay, and the slip stitch is like, I'm here, it's saying it's right on top of this line. If you get lost, if you know, like I said, if you put it away and then when you come back, if you're totally lost, oh, you say, oh, okay, this is a slip stitch, you will see it right away. It's like screaming, I'm here. See? Okay, so I will continue and I'll be right back. And it's just loving how it's this textured stitches coming by. Okay, so I have crocheted a couple of more rows and then you can see the color change on the cake. See? And this is the back. I just love it, love it, love it. And I hope you liked it. So it does a little bit kind of shrinks, I noticed. So, yeah, maybe use a bigger crochet hook. I don't know, just to play around with it. You can, because I am a tight crocheter. That's another thing. Even I'm using a big crochet hook. That happens to me a lot. So I hope you like this tutorial. And this is how you crochet the even moss stitch. Thank you very much for watching my tutorials. And I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Stay safe, everybody. Happy crocheting.